Are you happy with your health and well-being? Karin and I have been focusing on that for many, many years, and it served us very well. And we noticed in our work that many people who work in manufacturing environments fail to do the same when it comes to their health. Now, Karin, what are your thoughts on this topic?
Yeah, often when I ask people about their values, health doesn't even make it in the top 3 values, which is kind of concerning, wouldn't you think? Now, everybody knows about the KPIs and what needs to be accomplished in the company, but many, unfortunately, disregard their health KPIs. So, how is their nutrition? Do they have enough sleep? What is the water intake, the work-life balance? All of those things are so important. And then, of course, the measures like blood pressure and body fat and how is your mobility, flexibility. All of this is important. And unfortunately, people don't do anything about it before it's too late. So the purpose of this video is really make you think how your health is.
Yeah. So do something today for your health that will have a positive impact in the future. Eat healthy, exercise more, and don't smoke.
This was our thought for today, and we will definitely see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.